goosebumps for years, and for some reason we yearn for more. While we're far from ever becoming Ghostbusters, Famous Monsters publisher Phil Kim learns what it takes to become a paranormal investigator. Let's go see what he encountered at the Napa Valley Ghost Tours. Good luck, Phil.
While some may think a dark and still night in Vacaville, California is dull, for the Napa City Ghosts and Legends Walking Tour, it's an exciting opportunity to encounter paranormal activity. Founders MacFarlane and Devin Sisk designed their Haunted Vacaville tour to give guests a unique and unforgettable experience.
We want them to come on into our world for a couple hours, forget what they're doing, and feel what it's like to be a paranormal investigator.
We actually give out equipment that we use in the field, being K2 meters, dowsing rods, other things.
Okay, so the first tool we're going to be using tonight is called the K2 meter. See how it's spiked up like that? That's kind of what a ghost hit looks like.
So each tour is different, and it's always different and fresh.
We constantly run into new spirits.
So we never know what's really going to happen.
Offering ghost tours in Napa and Sonoma as well, MacFarlane and Sisk introduce enthusiasts to more than just stories about the paranormal.
What a great way to introduce people to history here. Every tour has given me that moment when I see people light up and learn, when I hear comments like they've learned something they never knew about their town and they grew up here. That's really fulfilling for me.
Before the evening is over, participants head back to the historic Old Town Hall where they gear up and get ready for their own paranormal investigation.
The room where I'm standing right now is where we get the most interactions with spirits. The first time I came here in April for our first tour, we counted 22 spirits in this room alone.
And we never cease to be amazed at people's reactions.
We love it when we see people respond with Scooby-Doo face, when they get kind of freaked out or emotional, because that means that the stories are sinking in, that these spirits are connecting with people. And people are starting to realize that, ghosts are all around us.
According to psychic medium Marie Dana, you don't have to be a believer to enjoy this experience.
For all of those who are just skeptical, I love you. I welcome you with open arms. And if all you walk away from is just a tiny glimmer that this was amazing, I learned something new, then I'm more than pleased.
If they want to have a ghost adventure of their very own, come out to one of our tours.
Looks like Phil could have used a proton pack. When we come back, we're going to take a look at Sci-Fi's new series, Ghost Wars. So stay tuned to Famous Monsters TV.